Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get weather updates on the Huawei Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you have paired your Huawei Band 10 to your smartphone through the Huawei Health app. After that, on your smartphone, just open the Huawei Health app, then go to Devices. Now under the Connected Devices section, just tap on Huawei Band 10, then tap on Weather Reports. From here, just make sure you enable weather reports. Now once you enable this toggle, the weather updates will be sent to your Huawei Band 10. Now to view the weather updates on your Huawei Band 10, just tap on the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10, then open the app drawer. Now from here, just tap on weather, and from here you will see the weather updates on your Huawei Band 10. And this is how you can get the weather updates on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.